Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect your Fitbit device to your iPhone for seamless activity tracking and notifications, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the pairing process successfully. Step 1. Visit the Apple App Store on your iPhone and search for the official Fitbit app. Download and install the app, ensuring you get the genuine Fitbit application. Step 2. Open the Fitbit app after installation. If you're new to Fitbit, tap Join Fitbit to create an account. Existing users should tap Login with their credentials. Step 3. Complete the account setup by providing your email address, creating a password, and entering personal details including name, birth date, height, and weight for accurate tracking. Step 4. After logging in, tap the profile icon in the upper left corner, then select Set up a device to initiate the pairing process with your Fitbit tracker. Step 5. Choose your specific Fitbit model from the list of available devices. Ensure your Fitbit is charged to at least 50% before beginning setup. Step 6. Enable Bluetooth on your iPhone by opening Settings, selecting Bluetooth, and toggling the switch to on. This is required for your iPhone to communicate with your Fitbit. Step 7. Return to the Fitbit app and follow the on-screen pairing instructions. You may need to enter a 4-digit pairing code that appears on your Fitbit device to confirm the connection. Step 8. Once paired, customize your device settings including dominant wrist, notification preferences, and exercise shortcuts. Sync your Fitbit by pulling down on the app's main screen to begin tracking your activities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.